Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Husqvarna Svartpilen 401. Husqvarna Motorcycles has raised the bar once again with the introduction of the 2025 Svartpilen 401, a versatile and adventurous addition to its lineup. Combining rugged design cues with urban sophistication, the Svartpilen 401 promises to redefine the urban sport motorcycle category with its distinctive style and agile performance. Distinctive design and urban adventure. The Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 boasts a bold and rugged design that sets it apart from conventional urban motorcycles. Inspired by Husqvarna's heritage in off-road racing, the Svartpilen 401 features a robust steel trellis frame, complemented by striking bodywork and a distinctive fuel tank. Its upright riding position and wide handlebars enhance maneuverability, making it equally adept at navigating city streets and exploring unpaved paths with confidence. Efficient performance and handling. Equipped with a responsive 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the Svartpilen 401 delivers spirited performance tailored for urban and light off-road adventures. The lightweight chassis and agile handling characteristics ensure nimble responsiveness, ideal for negotiating urban traffic or tackling gravel roads. Adjustable suspension settings provide versatility, allowing riders to customize their ride experience for comfort and control across varied terrain. Integrated technology and convenience. Despite its rugged exterior, the Svartpilen 401 incorporates modern technology to enhance rider convenience and safety. A digital display provides essential ride information, including speed, fuel levels, and gear position, at a glance. LED lighting ensures optimal visibility in all conditions, while a robust ABS braking system offers reliable stopping power for added confidence during urban commutes and off-road escapades alike. Market appeal and availability. Anticipation for the Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 is high among motorcycle enthusiasts and adventure-seeking riders who value versatility and style. Scheduled for global release in 2025, the Svartpilen 401 is positioned competitively within the urban adventure motorcycle segment, appealing to riders seeking a blend of urban agility and off-road capability in a single package. Conclusion. As Husqvarna continues to innovate and expand its lineup, the 2025 Svartpilen 401 emerges as a symbol of rugged elegance and dynamic performance. With its distinctive design, agile handling, and integrated technology, the Svartpilen 401 invites riders to embrace urban exploration and off-road adventures with style and confidence. Whether navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Svartpilen 401 promises an exhilarating riding experience that combines urban edge with adventurous spirit, setting a new benchmark for urban sport motorcycles in the years ahead.